Okay, so this is a quick video. I waited a little bit long, it's the middle of May, but I've got 3 cars. Each car has a set of snow tires. And I swap them back and forth. Every fall I put the snow tires on, every spring I put the regular tires back on. So this is a video about how I reset the tire pressure sensor monitors, the TPMS things. All right, either I could bring it into a place and have them swap them for like 50 or $50 every time, or I do it myself. And I do it myself. So here's what I bought. I have had this for at least 5 years now, and it's been working flawlessly. All right, so 2 things. First thing I bought, it's called a Maxi TPMS. Fairly inexpensive by Autel. This is a consumer grade thing. Let me turn this on. And this is ATEC, makes this thing, TPMS Quickset. Now I think the idea is you can swap everything yourself, but I think you can only do like 4 cars. I think you have to, it's got a maximum, so they don't want you using this commercially. If you're into computers, you could find where the files are and delete them, but you know, unless you got 12 cars, this is more to be used in your house. So basically, what I do with this thing, make of car, see if I can do this and read it at the same time. Subaru Forester, click yes. It's got the year. This is a 2014, click yes. Okay, so then we trigger the sensors. Push the little button in the center here. And it gives you the sensor ID as well as the tire pressure. Now this is actually pretty good. I usually don't use a tire pressure gauge. I actually just go around the car with this to find my tire pressure because it's pretty accurate. So let's do this on all 4 tires now. Tells you what you want to do next. This is the passenger front. That one, it gives you the ID. Next, rear right. And you just put it close, hit the button. It transmits, and it also, besides giving you the pressure, actually like initiates the sensors because they go to sleep after a while. So if these have been sitting, these tires, I just swapped these out. So these have been sitting all winter. So this actually reactivates them. All right, so now it gave me, that one's 29. I gotta raise the pressure on that again. After you're done with all 4 of those, you push the yes button, and then it gives you the ID numbers. Front left is A3C, front right, and rear left. So now what I'm going to do is take this bad boy right here and bring this up to my computer and hook this up to the computer, and there's an app or a software program that you download. I'll show you that in a second. Okay, so now there's a program that comes with, that you download. So you take this thing. Now this car is, it's actually not I guess it is a 2013 Forester. So here are the ideas for my summer and winter tires that you just manually enter them in. You just manually put them in like right there, front left, front right. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna plug this with this cord right here. It's like a printer cable, it comes with it. Plug it in, see what happens. All right. So now it's gonna ask me over here to update to the latest software or version of Dropbox. No, I don't care about Dropbox. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is take this, take a look. So the front left tire that I just put on is, and it's a summer tire, is starts with I wish you could stop this, A3C. So front left. So this is not the same tires I had on last year. So front left is A3E. Let me look again. Front left. It's the one that ends in A45. So this one right here is the front left. So all I'm gonna do is take this and move that up to there. So A45 is now the front left, okay? Front right ends in 4BB. So front right is correct, 4BB. Rear right rear right, 369, 369, 369, rear left, A5, rear left, A5. Okay, so that's it. So now you got this. So now I put the tires, these are where they are on the car, okay, with the sensor IDs. Now I'm gonna click Save to Quickset. Okay, so save it to Quickset, and that's it. So it just wrote it to the Quickset right here. So now all I'm gonna do is unplug this, right here, bring it to the car, basically you turn the ignition on, wait 5 seconds for the computer to click up, to log up, and then you push the button. That's the summer or the winter. So I had the winter tires on. I'm going to switch to the summer tires, and it dings once, and then you drive it for like 2 miles and it works, and that's it. So let's turn it off and I'll show you. Here, real time. By the way, these Nokian snow tires I just took off are the best snow tires I've had in my life, and I'm pretty old. All right, so let's do this in real time. Basically what happens, oh, this car's a filthy mess, apologize. So what happens is if you get in and you start it, I just swapped the tires out, okay? I just swapped the tires out. And I haven't driven it yet. So you're gonna say to yourself, oh, I don't have to do anything, there's no light. Basically the light doesn't come on that says tire pressure issue unless you've driven a little bit. And then the computer's gonna realize. By the way, another great thing, dash cam, Lucas Black Box. But anyway, the thing has saved me many times. All right, anyway, let's drive around a little bit just to show you that actually the light does. So it took a while, but the TPMS light came on. There it is. So basically the tires finally communicated to the computer, and they said, wait a second, these are not the right numbers that are supposed to be on the car. So a lot of people just leave this light on for the entire time they have their winter tires on. You know, the whole winter, or they put a piece of tape over you. That would kill me. And it would even kill me worse to bring the car, 3 cars, to a dealer to shut the lights off twice a year. Even if it was $50 at my time. So $50, this is $150 in the winter, $150 in the summer, $300 a year to reset the sensors forever. So I'm gonna get some gas now, and then I'll show you how we get rid of this. All right, quite easy. All right, so here's how we fix this. In my car, we have the ECU is right down here. I don't know if you can catch that, right up there. So first thing you do, put the key in the ignition, turn it to accessory. Plug this in. Then we're gonna wait. Just like wait 5 seconds. But we had the winter tires are on there now. So right now all the lights are on. We're gonna put the push summer tires. All right, so now we got a solid green. Now I'm gonna unplug it. That should do it. Start the car. And it's flashing, if you notice. Reset this. So I can just get yes. All right, let's watch it. You drive like a little bit, and then it should go out. Probably be smarter if I can just keep this. Let me see. You can see what you can. Drive and see what happens. get on the highway and they'll let you go up. All right, so that's it.